This is lesson 1-4, part 2. In this video, we're going to work on solving problems by writing an equation, and we will solve some more equations also. So in this example, we have a carpet here in Brussels, Belgium, that is entirely made out of flowers, and we're going to determine what are the dimensions of that carpet. And so the information we're given is that the perimeter is 200 meters and it is 3 times as long as it is wide. So we'll start by labeling the sides. The long side is 3 times as long as the short side. So if the short side is x, then the long side is 3 times that. To find a perimeter, you add all sides. So we have 3x plus x plus 3x plus x equals 200. And then we're going to solve this equation. So first thing we'll do is simplify the left side by combining like terms. 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. So we have 8x equals 200. Divide both sides by 8 and we get x equals 25, which means the short side is 25 and the long side is 3 times as much as that, so the long side is going to be 75. In these examples, I'm going to show you how sometimes when you solve an equation, you end up with no solution or you get what's called an identity. So in the first example, let's simplify the left side. 11 minus 7 is 4, so the left side is 3x minus or plus 4. And on the right side, we'll combine the x's. 6x minus 3x is 3x plus 5. If we subtract 3x on each side, you'll notice that we end up with no x's, and we have a statement that is false. 4 does not equal 5. Since we end up with a false statement, that means there is no solution to this problem. In our second example, we're going to again combine like terms on the left side. 6x minus 2x is 4x. And on the right side, 4 plus 1 is 5. And in this problem, you can see that the left side equation and the right side equation are exactly the same. So if you were to continue to try to solve this by subtracting 4x on each side, you get a true statement, 5 equals 5. That's true no matter what you choose for x. So this is called an identity. So this is my final example for this lesson. It's solving an equation like this. This is called a literal equation because you have two different variables, and we're going to really just change the equation so it says f equals instead of c equals. So rather than distribute the 5/9 here, we can multiply both sides by the reciprocal 9/5. And since the 9/5 cancels the 5/9, then we no longer need the parentheses on the f minus 32. And now we're solving for f, so we will add 32 on each side. And that gives us f equals 9/5 of c plus 32. It's a literal equation, so you don't end up with a single number, you end up with an expression.